Good morning friends, I am Dr. Shilpi Saxena and I welcome you all in my channel Life Skills. As you know that in this channel we discuss various life skills as interview skills, communication skills, and today we are going to discuss and explore a very important life skill that makes your life 100%. I hope you all will be curious to know what is that skill. So without wasting too much of time, let us discuss today's topic, that is attitude, and how we can develop positive attitude. Because you might have heard this, positive thoughts leads to positive efforts and positive efforts leads to positive result. And what makes result positive, that is attitude. Before understanding the concept of attitude, let us discuss a very interesting fact. Suppose if A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 2, so which word makes the meaning 100%? Is it hard work? No. Is it knowledge? No. Hard work means 98%, knowledge means 96%. Is it love? No, 54%. Is it luck? No, 47%. Money? Still the answer is no. Leadership? No. Then which word makes your life 100%? That is attitude. You can calculate it. There is an image of a glass half filled with water. You might have been watching this image since your childhood to check your attitude. So the people who have positive attitude, they will say the glass is half filled, and the people who have negative attitude, they will say the glass is half empty. And in the words of our Honorable Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, he says, the glass is half filled with water and half filled with air. So now we must understand what kind of attitude we are carrying, whether we are positive or negative. It sounds very good, be positive. But whether we are positive in a real sense, let us check it. Now let's check our attitude, whether we are positive or negative. There is an image of a little child carrying load of brick on her head. What kinds of words are coming in your mind to see this picture? If the words like poor, uneducated, hungry, child labor, orphan, struggling, victim, uneducated, illiterate, if these kinds of words are coming in your mind, so you need to check your attitude. If I ask you to make a story based on that image, hope the story will like that. This is the story of a little girl who has lost her parents, working day and night for her survival. She is the victim of circumstances. She has no hope. She is illiterate, like that. Does it sound very negative? If yes, now bring a little shift in our attitude and give some positive words for the same image. The words like hardworking, dedicated, challenging, supportive, hopeful, respectful, somehow independent also. Now we can make a fresh story full of positivity. This is the story of a little girl Asha. She studies in a government charitable school in class 4th. Her parents are very hardworking and works at a construction site. In the daytime, Asha studies in a school. In the evening time, when the children of her age play and have fun, she enjoys the company of her parents. She loves to support them. She carries bricks from one place to another. In that way, she manages her study, supports her family. She is very bright in studies and very positive for her future. So the image can be explained in any way. Either we can say that girl is struggling, or we can say that girl is enjoying the challenges of life. So we must understand what positive attitude is. Positive attitude does not mean to see positivity in positive situation. I am repeating, positive attitude does not mean to see positivity in positive situation. Rather, positive attitude means to see positivity even in the negative situation. Now we will learn types of attitude. Just now we have discussed attitude are of two types, positive attitude and negative attitude. Positive attitude means to see the brighter side, and negative attitude means to see the darker side. Now you can check your attitude, what kind of attitude you are carrying. Now the question is that how do attitudes form? So there are three factors that develop our attitude. The first is direct personal experience. The personal experience of an individual, whether it is favorable or unfavorable, will affect the attitude deeply. These attitudes, which are based on personal experience, are difficult to change. Second is family and peer groups. Attitude like values are acquired from parents, teachers, and peer group members. We observe the way our family and friends behave, and we shape our attitude and behavior to align with theirs. The third is social and cultural effect. Social and cultural background of the individual also affect his attitude formation. Our socio-economic background influences our present and future attitude. Now the question is how we can develop positive attitude. As we have just discussed, positive attitude means to see positivity even in the negative situation. So here are some tips. We can develop positive attitude to bring a change in our thought pattern. We must accept the things as they are. We must not try to change the things that are beyond our control. We must learn from the success stories of persons who accepted the challenges of life and turned every challenge into opportunity. If you read the stories of successful person, you will find they have much more challenges in comparison to ours. What challenges we are facing, it's just nothing. You may read about Mr. Milkha Singh. You may read about our ex-president, Mr. APJ Kalam. You may read about Arunima Sinha. You will find how much challenges they have faced and how did they overcome it. It was their attitude that made them successful. Thank you for watching this video. Have a positive attitude. Thank you.